September 21, 2022. Jordan Ramée Games, Gaming News, PC game. Ahead of the launch of Overwatch 2, the lead hero designer for most of the game's new playable characters, Geoff Goodman, is leaving Blizzard. It's likely he played a part in designing the recently announced Kiriko as well, but that has not been officially confirmed. His ability to bring to life Overwatch's diverse hero roster through gameplay has been incredible, and the mark he's left on the Warcraft and Overwatch teams will be felt for years to come. PC Gamer's report does not list a reason for Goodman's departure. That said, there has been a pattern of high-profile Overwatch developers leaving Blizzard over the past year, including director Geoff Goodman in April 2021, lead character artist Arnaud Galland in May 2021, executive producer Chaco Sonny in September 2021, and producer Tracy Kennedy in February 2022. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.